Hello students, how are you all? Let us revise few topics for our second unit test. Today we are going to do some revision questions. So in your exams you will be getting blanks, true or false, solve using distributive property, solve using shortcuts, that all things we are going to get. So let us revise few things so that it will be easy for you to give the exams. So in your exam, you are going to get chapter number 2, natural numbers and whole numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers means counting numbers from where you start counting, that is natural number. While whole number includes 0. So the smallest whole number is 0 and the smallest natural number is 1. What about the greatest number? There is no greatest number in the number system, okay, because the numbers are infinite. Then we understood predecessor and successor. Predecessor, P for predecessor, P for previous. So the previous number will be your predecessor while the successor is the next number. For example, the successor of 14 will be 15 while the predecessor of 14 will be 13. So if you are asked to find the predecessor, you are going to minus the number, while if you are asked to find the successor, you will add the number. Then we understood number line. So in number line, we know that there should be a proper distance between two numbers, and the larger number will be there on right side while the smaller number there on the left side. Now let us see this important points. 0 is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the only whole number which is not a natural number. Otherwise, all the natural numbers include the whole numbers. But 0 is only there which will not come in natural number. There is no greatest number in the number system. Then we understood few properties. So now here you are having few blanks. So this you have to practice for your exams. In this blanks, all the properties which we have understood, that will be covered. For example, let us see this. 63 plus 27 is equal to dash plus 63. So we know this closure property, that the two numbers, if you add the two whole numbers, you will get a whole number. Similarly, if the sequence of the number is changed, your result will be same. So 63 plus 27 is equal to 27 plus 63. Similarly, dash plus 0 is equal to 207. So anything you add 0, the number will remain same. So this way this all properties were there. Also we understood distributive property. So how it is, let us see. Okay, now see how the distributive property is there. Here 57 into 3 plus 57 into 7. So we know that 57 is common. So 57 we will take it out as common, and this 3 plus 7 we will keep it inside. So 57 will come out and 3 plus 7 will remain inside. So 3 plus 7 will give you 10. So 57 into 10 is equal to 570. So this type of sums you will be given in your exam. If you are asked to find with the help of distributive property, then you are going to do this method. It depends on the sum that which way you are going to solve. Now let us solve few sums. Okay, so what is distributive property first of all? Suppose this number is there 57 into 9. Now suppose this is your question. So you have to use here distributive property. So how you will use? Here 57 you will keep it as it is. Multiply as it is. 9 means it is 10 minus 1. So this 57 you will distribute to this both number. So 57 into 10 minus 57 into 1. So 570 minus 57. So you will get here 513. Understood? So this is the method you are going to do. Distributive means this 57 we have distributed to both of these numbers, that is distributive method. So here on page number 24 you are given this full exercise in which you have to use distributive property, which we have already solved. So you can practice all these sums with the help of this distributive property. Now the next one is shortcuts. We understood few shortcut methods for multiplication and for addition. So what are that shortcut methods? Now suppose if you have to multiply any number with 999, 999, 9999, then what you are going to do? Here 64 into 99 is given. Now 99 we know it is 100 minus 1. So 64 multiplied by 100 minus 1. Now this 64 we are going to distribute to both of these numbers. So 64 multiplied by 100 minus 64 multiplied by 1. So this will give you 6400 minus 64. So if you will minus this number, what you are going to get? You will get this number 6336. Okay. So same way, if here 999 is given, means it is 1000 minus 1. If 4 times 9 is given, means it is 10,000 minus 1. So this way you are going to use shortcut method. Now what if the numbers you have to multiply with 5, 25 or 125? Then what you are going to do? So if you have to multiply the number with 5, then you will get 10 upon 2. You have to convert it into 10 upon 2 because 10 upon 2 is also 5. Then it becomes easy to multiply. 64 here 124 divided by 2 you will get 62. 62 into 10 is 620. Similarly, if you have to multiply any number with 25, you will convert it into 100 upon 4. So, divide this number by 4 and then you will get the answer. So, I have shared the video of that also previously. So, you just go through it and this way you are going to solve with shortcuts. Okay. Now, if you have to add using the shortcut methods, here two sums are given. Let us see this. Here what it is given. Suppose this is your question. Here 896 plus 99. 99 we know it is 100 minus 1. So just write it down 100 minus 1 instead of 99. Now it is easy to plus 100. So 896 plus 100 will give you 996 minus 1, 995. So here to add these numbers, this will be more easy because 100 if you have to add to any number, orally also you can do. Similarly here also this 999 they have converted into 1000 minus 1. So this is the method of shortcut. Understood? You are not going to add the numbers normally. If you will do like that, then your sum will be incorrect. You have to use this shortcut methods only. Now you have to use distributive property, shortcut method, or you can use any other property to make the calculation easy. Now suppose if I ask you to use the any suitable property, then how you are going to do? See, these questions are already given. You can see here in revision exercise question number 5. So here what it is, see 4 numbers are given. So you have to use either commutative or associative property. We know that commutative property or associative property means if you change the sequence of the number, your answer will be same. So here these 4 numbers are given. So it is not necessary that first you add this 2, then you add this, then you add this. Here you will add which will give you easily the answer. See now in this second sum you can see 199 343 217 101. So first you add these two numbers. Why we are adding these two numbers? See, unit place. Here it is 7 and here it is 3. So 7 and 3 means you will get 10. Same way here 9 and here 1. So again 9 plus 1 10. So if you are getting zeros at unit place, then it will be easier for you to add. So this way you are going to solve this type of sums. So here our revision video is over. So before exam you just go through all the examples and whatever videos I have shared with you earlier. Please go through it and solve the exercises so that it will be easy for you to give the exam. Bye bye. All the best for your exams.